Good morning, students. Welcome to e-learning class. Students, this is your life skill period and I am your life skill teacher. After completing your examination, now today we start new chapter in life skill. Chapter number is 6, lesson 6 and chapter name is keeping on smiling. Okay? Now students, you all open your book, life skill book, page number 22. Today we explain the chapters. Okay? And after that, you also read the chapters very well. And if you have any confusion and or queries, you will ask me when your life skill period is running on. So now open your life skill book. So students, I hope you all have open your life skill book page number 22. Today we start new chapter. Lesson number is 6. Lesson name is keep on smiling. Students, when we are sad, so our mood is, our face look like this. And we don't look smart, beautiful, है ना? If you look beautiful, smart, then you always keep smiling. See this face is not interesting, and this face is interesting. So students, always keep smiling on your face. If you are smiling, then your parents will also happy that my child is very happy. They always smiling. So your parents will also happy. That is clear. Now today we read the chapter, and after reading me, you will also read it. Keep on smiling. As you travel on life's way, our life is traveling, going on and on. Okay, we are moving further, moving away. We don't see the back. With its many ups and downs, in our life there is many ups and downs. Some days we are very happy, some days we are sad. Our life is going up, then down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Remember, it's quite true to say. That is true that our life is going up, down, up, down. Some days we are very happy and some days we are sad because of some family problems. Some are feeling sick, some are very rude, like this. One smile is worth a dozen frowns. It means worth means having a value. Okay, worth means value, and frowns means angry or worried experience on a person's face. If we are very angry, okay, then our face is give the answer that, see, our face like this, that I am very sad. So one smile, if in your face there is a smile, then it is very valued, and If you are very sad, in your face there is a frown, then your face is looking that you are very sad. Among the word expensive things, here expensive means costly. Okay, in our world there is very expensive things. Okay, we are a middle class families. Okay, then if we go to the market, for example, if we go to the civil lines in PVR, we go and see the dresses. Oh, the dresses is very nice, but their cost is very high. So then we don't buy the dresses because we don't have that much of money. Then we will go back our home very sad. And if we go to the market like Chowk and Katra, many more, then we go and we purchase the dresses. Then there is the cost of the dresses is very cheap and middle one. Okay, that we are purchase it, है ना. Here means that हमारी जो रहने वर्ल्ड है, तो हमारे वर्ल्ड में क्या है, बहुत महंगे भी चीज़ें हैं और बहुत सस्ते भी चीज़ें हैं, है ना. हम लोग क्या है, हम लोग मिडिल क्लास फैमिली से बिलोंग करते हैं, तो हम लोग जो भी मार्केट में सामान ख़रीदने जाते हैं तो उसे हम अपने बजट के हिसाब से लेते हैं कि हाँ हमारे ये बजट के अंदर आता है, ये हम ले लेंगे. हियर एक्सपेंसिव मीन्स लाइक कि हमारे वर्ल्ड में, जो हमारी दुनिया में, देश में क्या है, बहुत एक्सपेंसिव से हैं. हर चीज़ अच्छी अच्छी चाहिए होती है. बट a smile is very cheap. But in our face, the smile is very cheap. Here cheap means कम, सस्ता. If you have every time smile, though there is no cost, स्माइलिंग में कोई कॉस्ट नहीं लगती है, तो ये क्या है, चीप ही तो है ना. And when you give a smile away, you get one back to keep. If you give the smile to other one, then other one also give the smile with back. Okay, if two persons are there, you and your friend, you go and meet your friend, first expression is your smiling. When you give the smile, then your friend will also give back to the smile, and no money will you give or your friend gives. That's why smile is very cheap. So when friends have sadness on the face and troubles around them piled, if your friend is very sad, okay, here beta trouble means problems. Okay, troubles means problems, and piled means blame larger in quantity or amount. If your friend is sad, you go with your friend and you see their face. Their face is showing like he is very sad. Then you have a problem. Then you will ask, you have any problem? You have any piled? Okay, if your friend has many problems, then he will discuss their problems. The world will seem the better places, and all because you smile. In our world there is better place, and all because you smile. Our smile is, the main motive is smiling. If we smile, if we smile in our faces, then we can face every problems, every typical problems. Okay, in our world there is a better place, all because of smile. Okay, so students, this is your poem, Keeping on a Smile. So you have read it at your home. Your homework is to read this poem again. Okay, and moral thought is, every smile makes your day younger. If you smile every day, then you will look like a younger and younger. If your face is looking sad, then you will go to the older and older. You become a older. So keep on a smile every day, and if your friend is sad, then you will discuss their problems and solve it, and then your friend is also smiling. So students, that's all for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.